So I got to do a couple things I've been procrastinating on, but I've got the tube right here that I want to connect. It goes this way, from the heater exchangers to the body of the car right here. And unfortunately, so this is a 1963 Volkswagen Beetle, and you know, you've got a newer style, a later style heater exchanger. It's also aftermarket from CB Performance. It's 1.5 inches versus 1.25 inches coming out of the heads. But the distance is 10.5 on the inner side, and this is 12. But it is compressible, so I am going to try to do that. And then I also have to hook up all the lines to actually open and close your heater system. So that's what I'm gonna be working on. So I got them on there. Yeah, just before you purchase them, especially if you're in my situation, you know, do a little bit of measuring, make sure, because there's different sizes for the holes and on both ends, you know, different lengths depending upon the years that you've got going on. But so I put it on this side and then just really pushed really hard towards the engine and put it on there. Kind of a pain in the butt, but just make sure, especially me, because I've got this thing jacked up, make sure it's sturdy and chalked and all that crap so it doesn't fall. So here's all the parts that I got for this dumb thing. It's not that hard, it's just I don't have my old ones to kind of compare to. I believe that's a part number from aircool.net. It also came with this kit as well. So I got this stupid thing on here with a snap ring. It's going to go on here. I'm on the passenger side of the car. I put the head side towards me and the snap ring on the inside. If I need to get to it. This guy's going to go here, and there's a stud that's sticking out that I'll put this guy. I'll slip it on and put this guy on the other side, and then the top side has a little lever that this is just going to slip onto. I'll take pictures afterwards. Alright, what a pain. So you've got the spring connected to that side right there, and then there's a little notch right here I put it inside of. I couldn't find any other examples. I mean, that's not the stock feature, well, at least not for this year, but that's definitely going to do what it needs to do. This side, you've got it to where it runs into the top side right there. It pushes over that little nub, and you've got your little lock washer, which sucked. Pain in the butt to get on. I need to try to flatten it out a little bit better. And then put this little guy in here, feed that through and tighten it down. Try not to have much slack. This is pretty good. That way when you're inside, you know, whatever you got, the lever, the knob, this one's got the knob that just turns, you know, it's not turning forever before it even starts opening it up. I think that's it. I mean, what a pain, but you know, it's functional. Now I got to go to the other side and do the same thing. If you got any questions, comment, you know, make sure you like the video and subscribe. Thanks.